Welcome to this tutorial on how to use Revolut Virtual Card. Revolut is a digital banking app that offers a range of financial services, including virtual cards. A virtual card is a digital version of a physical credit or debit card, and it can be used to make online purchases or transactions. To get started, you need to have a Revolut account. If you don't have one, you can download the Revolut app and sign up for an account. Once you have an account, you can create a virtual card by going to the Cards section of the app and selecting the option to create a new virtual card. You will be asked to choose a card type, such as a Visa or MasterCard, and you will need to provide some basic information, such as your name and address. Once you have created your virtual card, you will be given a card number, expiration date, and security code. You can use this information to make online purchases or transactions. One of the benefits of using a virtual card is that it provides an additional layer of security. Because the card is digital, it can't be lost or stolen, and you can easily cancel it if you suspect that someone has accessed your account. To use your virtual card, simply enter the card details at the online checkout, just as you would with a physical card. You can also add your virtual card to digital wallets, such as Apple Pay or Google Pay, to make contactless payments. It's also important to note that you can set a spending limit on your virtual card, which can help you stay within your budget. You can also freeze your card if you suspect that someone has accessed your account, and you can unfreeze it when you are ready to use it again. In addition to the security benefits, virtual cards can also help you earn rewards and cashback on your purchases. Revolut offers a range of rewards and cashback programs, and you can earn points or cashback on your purchases when you use your virtual card. In conclusion, using a Revolut virtual card is a convenient and secure way to make online purchases or transactions. By following these steps and taking advantage of the security features and rewards programs, you can get the most out of your virtual card and enjoy a hassle-free payment experience.